day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Mathematics Past Question 1. Calculate 3310 in base 5 minus 1442 in base 5. So let's calculate 3310 in base 5 minus 1442 in base 5. Now the options are given to us. We have 1313 base 5, 2131 base 5, 4302 base 5, 1103 in base 5. Now, subtracting this from this, we have to be conscious of the base which is in base 5. We have 0 minus 2. Now 0 is smaller than 2 and the arithmetic cannot function, so we have to borrow from this one. Now borrowing from this one will be in form of 5 because the base is in 5. The number base is in base 5.